The nutritive contents found in aloe vera juice are very potent and effective in preventing and curing several health conditions. Aloe vera juice works wonders for our whole body. Taken internally or through external application, both have benefits of their own. Hello friends, today in this video we will discuss about the benefits of aloe vera juice for our overall health and well-being. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon. It has been found that consuming aloe vera juice in an empty stomach enhances one's health and restores it to the point of peak health by boosting the function of our immune system. Besides this, aloe vera juice can heal all sorts of common skin problems like fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation, itching, rashes, to name a few. Nowadays, markets are flooded with cosmetics and creams claiming to be natural and safe to treat skin problems. But the fact is that these cosmetic products have chemical contents in an amount much greater than you can ever imagine. Using such products will cause damage to your skin in a long run, and your skin will become prone to common skin problems like acne, premature aging, skin sensitivity, dermatitis, etc. As a safe alternative to these cosmetic products, start using aloe vera juice by consuming it or applying it topically on your skin. I'm sure you will definitely be amazed at the mind-blowing result it gives without costing you a penny. Unlike cosmetic products which cost you a fortune with little or no results, plus the side effects that comes with it are a worst nightmare. Solve your hair problems like hair fall and dandruff by applying aloe vera juice on your hair and scalp. Just take the required quantity of aloe vera juice and apply it on your scalp and hair. Leave it for 30 minutes and then wash off with plain water. Your hair will turn healthier and shinier with gradual use. Besides this, aloe vera juice also has a good fiber content which can help you deal with digestive disorders like constipation, bloating, indigestion, and even acid reflux. In short, you can trust aloe vera juice to help you get rid of all your major and minor digestive disorders. It is also very effective in dealing with complications that arise due to high blood sugar levels in the body. The nutrients and enzymes in aloe vera juice helps regulate sugar levels in the blood. People suffering with high blood sugar levels can start consuming 3 tablespoons of aloe vera juice early in the morning in an empty stomach to get relief from this condition. This juice also acts as a powerful natural blood purifier. Consuming just 3 tablespoons of aloe vera juice in an empty stomach will work miraculously to treat blood impurities of any form present in the body and boost your overall health. Apart from all these, the antiviral and antibacterial properties in aloe vera juice has the ability to boost the function of our immune system. How to prepare aloe vera juice? If you are thinking of purchasing aloe vera juice from the market, then be aware that you are consuming lots of chemicals and preservatives with it, which have been added to increase the juice's shelf life. So, the safety of your health is in none other but your own hands. Make conscious decision and choose wisely. Instead of purchasing a bottle of aloe vera juice, purchase an aloe vera plant and sow it in your garden or pot. You will benefit from it in a long run. Now, to separate the juice from its leaves, first pluck the leaves from the plant, wash it and then cut it into small pieces. Then scoop out its juice with the help of a spoon, or you can even use a knife as per your convenience. Blend the pieces into a smooth juice in a mixer grinder. Add water if needed. When done, pour the contents into a container and enjoy fresh. You can even add some flavoring to the juice as per your choice like mint leaves, lemon juice, black pepper, etc. If you like the video, give it a like and share it with your family and friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.